I gotta say, being a Piston Cup race car is pretty great. I've gotten to see the whole world. But on my last trip, I started thinking, wouldn't it be cool if the world got to see how great Radiator Springs is? And that gave me an idea.
Dadgum, you won again. What's that, like the 1/3,000th time?
I don't know, Mater, but how about we make it 1,000,000,001?
Oh, that's my lucky number. Let's go.
Get ready, because lightning is about to strike.
Press the pedal to accelerate.
Nice! No problem. I can do this with my eyes closed.
Lift your finger during turns to slow down.
Gotta say, this never gets old.
Keep winning to earn stickers and unlock new cars.
That was fun, Mater. Thanks. Sorry I beat you again.
Oh, that's okay, buddy. If I gotta lose, I'm glad it's against you. You wanna go again?
Sure, but aren't you getting a little tired of racing on the same old track?
Nah, but if you are, we could add some new tricks to it. Come on. Ho-ho! Check out this here crazy loop.
Nice, but check out this loop.
Oh, and I got one last surprise.
I'm faster than fast, quicker than quick. I am lightning. Sweet, bring it on.
Awesome! You just unlocked a new car. Unlocking a car also unlocks its racetrack.
Hey, Todd. Glad you're here. You're just in time to help me out.
Wow, I'd love to help you practice, Lightning. You're kind of a hero to me.
Oh, I'm not practicing. I'm gonna host a track building / racing extravaganza. Cars can build their own tracks, fill them with tricks, then race on them. Want to give it a try?
Me? Design a track for Radiator Springs? What an honor! Where do I start?
Here's a starter track. Give it a spin. Fillmore wants to join in. You up for a race?
Out of sight, man. Man, am I excited to be here! Let's do this.
Tap the pedal when you're over the blue circle for a boost.
I am so ready for this. Let's go, let's go, let's go! This is gonna be good. I am getting pretty good at this.
radiator's up next. Think you can take them?
Check it.
You can use coins and...
Come on, let's go. Woo, boy, this is gonna be fun.
Oh yeah! Let's do this. Awesome! What does lightning say? Oh yeah, focus. I am so ready for this. This is gonna be good. Yeah!
How's about jazzing this track up a bit?
Great job! Don't forget to collect your rewards.
Oh yeah! Oh, it's a great day for a race. My sponsors gotta love this. This game rocks. Let's do this. Oh yeah! What does lightning say? Oh yeah, focus. Not bad for a rookie. This one is all mine. How awesome is this? Nice! Our sponsors gotta love this. I am so ready for this. Awesome! This is gonna be good. Focus, Todd. Focus!
Tough race, but don't get discouraged. Even the best racers lose sometimes.
Yeah, I guess I'm just not fast enough to beat Chick. I need some practice.
Sure, practice helps, but so does a tune-up. Mater will show you where to go.
Head to Radiator Springs.
Someday I want to be as good as Lightning McQueen. Hey, Mater. Lightning said you could show me where to get a tune-up.
Sure thing, buddy. Just follow me. Tune-ups don't cost much. This here's the gosh darndest deal in Carburetor County.
This didn't have to take so long. Oh yeah!
Woo-wee! Boy, you look good.
Thanks, Mater. I feel great. Can't wait to get back on the track. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
No autographs now, but catch me later.
Oh, it's a great day for a race. Nice! What did Lightning say? Oh yeah, focus. Sponsors gotta love this. Let's do this. All right.
Kachika, say it with me. Kachika. Show me the love.
Let's go see if Todd's doing okay in town.
Thanks for your help at the garage, Mater. I still can't believe I'm in Radiator Springs.
Well, if you like it now, what do you...
Really? What do you...
Nah, we thought we'd get together and do some renovating. Want to help?
Yeah! And I'm sure other cars will too. Just show me where to start.
Luigi needs some help getting his shop open. Come, that looks awesome. Can you help Lizzie with the curios? Dang, Lizzie's shop looks good. Can you help Ramon open his paint? Good boy, Ramon's gonna love that. Looky there, all that's fixing up, bringing in tons of business. Woo-wee, boy, this town's looking great. I can't wait to see it all finished. Thanks for your help, Todd.